Hi, I am Zira. I am going to talk about how to clean your CPAP machine. Please hang around till the end to receive the most important informations. Before we do that, I wish everyone a happy 2025. Inside the CPAP is a moist and dark environment conducive to the growth of bacteria and fungus. It is not hard to imagine that it is extremely harmful to us because we have to use it every night for many years. Therefore, cleaning the CPAP is essential. The first step is to separate the nasal pillow from the short tubing, which is often easier said than done. Put some unscented liquid soap into a glass jar. Add water and shake like mad. Repeat it a couple of times and leave to soak for a while before the final rinse. The next step is to clean the short tubing. Put some liquid soap into the tubing, then some water. Pull the ends up and down to distribute the soapy water. Then run under the tap to flush everything out. Repeat the process a few times. Cleaning the big heated tubing is the same. To dry everything efficiently, we need a handheld rechargeable snow blower. I bought mine for less than $50. It has 4 speeds. 1 is a tickle. 2 is what I use for drying the nasal pillows. 4 is a hurricane and very good for drying the tubings. Before you use it, be sure to fully charge it. You will need some earplugs because the blower is extremely loud. It is intuitive to use. how water is flying off the tubing? Next thing to do is to clean the water tank. You can empty the leftover distilled water in the tank into a glass cup. Disinfect the water in a microwave oven and it will be ready to be reused. Use the same unscented liquid soap and a lot of shaking and rinsing. Don't forget to clean the little filter. The same blower again. One would greatly enhance the air passage by washing the nose and throat with physiological saline, particularly if you suffer from allergy. Last but not least is the contentious issue of the safety of ozone generators in relation to CPAP disinfection. There are plenty of informations on the subject on the internet. Be sure to check them out before jumping into it. How often should we clean with soap and water? I generally do a wash and dry once a week, and a dry-only procedure every morning. It is recommended that the tubes are replaced about once a year. Thank you for viewing and happy sleeping.